Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, along with Mr. Cameraman and Xena the Glamper Camper. We are on a mission to go get some Starlink internet, but we had kind of a fun trip through a bunch of construction, and we were following the Budweiser Clydesdales. Pretty fun. They were pretty cool to look at. We even got to see the doors open at a gas station, but let's get to Best Buy and get this thing. I think it's funny because when I think of Tesla, I think of like super fancy, but Starlink is literally just in these like ugly gray boxes with absolutely no display. But you guys, let's head out to the campsite. We are in beautiful South Dakota, and we are about to have some super fast satellite internet. So what are we doing right now with our brand new Starlink internet?
We're activating it using the Starlink app, which you should do before you get out and take it apart in case you don't have cell service when you get there.
Xena is very, very excited. Well, once we get to our campsite, we'll show you guys what it all looks like when it's out of the box. Okie dokie, we just got out to our campsite, and Mr. Cameraman is starting to unbox this thing. Pretty big.
Yeah, it's a satellite dish. So it appears that this is your router, and this is the cord that plugs into your router from the dish. So they give you a lot of cords if you want to. This has to apparently face the north sky, so you've got to get it kind of in a good spot to do that. Out here, it's pretty clear. We don't have much, we don't have any trees or really anything directly around us, so that should work well. You plug the, this is a USB, not a USB-C, but a similar connector to USB-C. This is your router.
I was expecting this to be a lot more difficult.
Now, it's, from what I've heard, it's pretty easy. We're gonna put this inside. I don't know if this is waterproof or not. We're not gonna find out. For now, we're just gonna put it outside, but I'll move it once I get it set up.
How much was this thing?
The standard kit retails for $5.99, and we got the Roam package, which is $150 per month.
And that's everything in the box.
Yeah, it's
not very complicated.
So we've already activated it. So now all we have to do is pretty much turn it on, and we should have service. Once you've activated it, you're going to open the app, and you're going to do Start Setup. This is the standard one. Confirm. We have it clear view of the sky. Next. And now it is going to automatically look for the satellites. It has its own movements. You do not need to manhandle this thing. Just let it do its thing. So now we're going to join the network, Starlink. There it is. And we are now connected to it. So we're going to call this the Cookin Camper.
And you guys, this hasn't even taken 5 minutes to get this set up.
We've now created the network. I'm covering up the password. And now we are going to connect to it. And theoretically, we should have Wi-Fi. So this automatically finds the satellites. That is a big plus. You don't have to come out here like some of the old satellite dishes and do that yourself. It will automatically find the satellites. So it shows now we're connected. Does not appear to be connected to the internet. Rapid City, South Dakota. Ensure your Starlink is plugged in. Took unplugging the router a couple of times, but we finally got it online after we set up the network. So we downloaded the update that it needed. Gonna just run a speed test out here. So doing over 100 meg out here. Our upload is was as high as 20 megs per second. So that is very good even if you're at home, and we are definitely not at home, and we're doing really good with this Starlink.
It's pretty cool. You guys definitely need to check this out. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Xena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.